Okay, I think I am audible. Yeah. Hello everyone, welcome to another live session. Today we are going to discuss about fourth part of number system, that is laws of exponents. Okay, so here we start. So before we jump into the main matter, we first learn about the some formulas about exponents, and that is, if a to the power a means where a is a number and n is another number, then a to the power a means a is n times multiplication. Okay, just like if I write 3 to the power n, that means I am multiplying 3 n times. If I write 3 by 2 whole to the power k, then I am multiplying 3 by 2 k times. Okay, now here are some another formulas. Those are this one. If a to the power m into a to the power n, if the bases are same, then the powers will be added. Okay, and power of power will be the multiplication, like this power multiplication. Like if I have 7 to the power 3 whole to the power 5, then that will be 7 to the power 3 into 5, that is 7 to the power 15. Just like that. Next is ab whole to the power m means the power will be distributed like this. So if I have 6 to the power n, so 6 means 2 into 3 whole to the power n. Now I am distributing this like this. So I am using this property here. Okay. Next property is a to the power minus n is 1 by a to the power n. That means if I have 5 to the power minus n, that means 1 by 5 to the power 3. And similarly it's happened if I have 5 to the power 3, then that will be 1 by 5 to the power minus 3. Now this is all my formulas here. A to the power m by a to the power n. If I am dividing with same bases, then the power will be subtracted, and I am multiplication with another this one, so I can take common ab as common as a power here m. A to the power m into a to b to the power m will be ab whole to the power m, and a by ab whole to the power m means a to the power m by b to the power m, and a to the power m into, here b to the power m is in the denominator, so that will be, if I write it as numerator, then the power will be negative, so b to the power minus m. And here a to the power 0. Okay, if the power is 0 for any number, then the result will be 1. Okay, and these all happen for any number a real number also. Okay, and here are some points more important, that is root over a means a to the power half, n root of a is a to the power 1 by n, and n root of a to the power m means a of m by n. So always remember the number here will be the denominator of the power, like this always. Okay, and one more thing, that when you are writing this, always maintaining the position of this like this, both are not same. This is my m root over of a to the power m, that is a to the power 1 by m, and this is m into root over a, so both are not same. So if I take example like 5 root over 3, and that is 3 to the power 1 by 5, and here I am taking 5 of root over 3, that means 5 into root over 3. Okay, so always remember this thing. Now let's do some exercise to concrete this idea, laws of exponents here. Okay, yeah, simplify this. "36 whole to the power half." We know that 36 is 6 to the power 2, and then that will be whole to the power 2 as well. I'm writing as well. Now I know the process that if a to the power n whole to the power n, and the power will be multiplied. So here the power will be multiplied as well. So here 2 cancel out and 6 remains. Okay. Another simplify. 16 to the power 3 by 2. So 16 means we all know 2 to the power 4, and that will be 3 by 2. So like this formula, the power will be multiplied here, and that will give us 6. Okay, that will be 64. Next, this simplify. Okay, now another task is 125 minus 1 by 3. Now that means 5 cube, 125 means 5 cube, the power will be 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3, and here I am multiplying the power as well, and the 3 will be cancelled out. So 5 to the power minus 1, that means 1 by 5, because we know that 1 by 8 to the power minus n means 1 by 8 to the power n for any number. So if I have 8 to the power minus 1, that will be 8 1 by 8. Okay, next simplify this. Okay, next simplify this. "81 by 64 to the power minus 3 by 4. Okay. Here I am writing like this. So if I have a by b whole to the power m, so that will be a to the power m by b to the power m. So the number will be 81 to the power 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4, and 64 to the power minus 3 by 4. So here the denominator power will be minus. So if I change it to as nominator, then the power will be negative sign, and the negative the power will be positive sign. Actually I am interchanging the opposite sign here, like this. Okay, now 81 means 3 to the power 4, and 64 means 2 to the power 6. So here the power will be multiplication here, the multiplying the power as well. Okay, this is my 2, this is my 3. Yeah, here 4 will be cancelled out, and that will be 3 to the power minus 3 into 2 to the power 9 by 2. So the number will be 2 to the power 9 by 2 by 2 to the power 3. Next question is evaluate this. Take some time, do the sum. I'll be right back. Okay, so here we go. Thirty-two means 2 to the power 5. So 32 means 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 1 by 5 minus 7 to the power 0, and 64 means 2 to the power 6. Yeah. So now the multiplication of these powers, I am getting back to the power 1. Okay, something to the power 0 means 1. We all know, because 8 to the power 0 always 1. And here I am multiplying 2 with 6 and 1 by 2, that is with 3. So 2 plus 1 plus 2 to the power 3 means 8. So the number will be 11. Okay, next evaluate. Is cube root of 343 whole to the power minus 2. Okay. So here we all know that n root of a means a to the power 1 by n. So definitely that will be 343 to the power minus 2. of 1 by 3. Okay, so here I am multiplying these two powers, so 2 by 3 as well, and 3 for 3 means 8 by 7, 49, 77. So 7 cube is 343. So here again the multiplication happens, and the 3 will be cancelled. So 7 to the power minus 2. So that will be 1 by 7 to the power 2, and that is 1 by 49. Got it? Now this is your task. Take some time. Here we go. 5 root of 32 whole to the minus 3. Okay, that means 32 power minus 3, and the power will be 1 by 5 because 5 is here. Okay, so 30, there is no space left. 32 power minus 3 by 5. Okay, 32 means 2 to the power 5, and the power will be minus 3 by 5. So 5 will be cancelled out here. So 2 to the power minus 3, that means 1 by 2 cube. 1 by 2 cube means 1 by 8. Okay, I am shifting this whole process here. Shifting this whole process here. Like this. Two means 2 to the power 5. Okay, so here 5 will be cancelled out after this multiplication. So 2 to the power minus 3, that means 1 by 2 cube. The number will be 1 by 8. Okay. Next important thing, here I am evaluate with some variables. Okay, x, y, z are positive real numbers. Then simplify this. First one is x cube y to the power minus 2 root. Again x to the power minus 2 by 3 y to the power 1 by 2 2. Another thing, 51, x to the power 8, y to the power 4, z to the power 16. Here is the division. Cube root of 27, x cube, y to the power 6, z to the power 9. Okay, another is this one. 5 root of x to the power 4, then 4 root of x cube, then cube root of square, then cover of x. This is very important question. So here are some answer. First one is this. Yeah. So square root means the power will be half. Okay. Again, we all know that AB whole to the power m means a to the power m, b to the power m. So here the half power will be distributed like this. X to the power 3 by 2, y to the power minus 2 by 2. So that will be minus 1. So x to the power 3 by 2, y to the power minus 1. So x to the power 3 by 2 and y. Okay, this is my answer. Next topic, next question. Okay, x to the power minus 2 by 3, y to the power minus half square. Yeah. So all we know the distribution of the power because here is the multiplication. So that's why the power will be distributed. So x to the power minus 2 by 3 2 to y to the power half, power will be 2. Okay, so here we go. So 2 will be cancelled out here. So x to the power minus 4 by 3 and y to the power minus 1. So number will be 1 by x to the power 4 by 3 and y to the power 1 because the powers are negative here. Okay, this is my answer. Next, this one. Okay, so 4 root over of 21 x to the power 8 y to the power 4 z to the power 16. This is the division. Cube root of 27 x cube y to the power 6 z to the power 9. Okay, so here I'm just following the process, nothing else. Step by step I am following the process here. Power will be 1 by 4. Here the division 27 x to the power 3 y to the power 6 z to the power 9, 1 by 3. So the power will be distributed here because this is the multiplication as well. So this is 3 to the power 4 x to the power 8 y to the power 4 z to the power 16 whole to the power 1 by 4. and again 3 cube x cube y to the power 6 z to the power 9 as well 1 by 3. Okay, 4. Just follow the process. I am just following the formulas, nothing else. Step by step. Here that is 3 x to the power 2 y z to the power 4. Okay, yeah, 3 x y to the power 2 and z to the power 3. Okay, another thing is always remember that if I have a division b to the power n and a to the power n as well. So if I transform this into multiplication, the right side power will be the opposite. Okay, so like this. Because if I elaborate this formula, that will be this and this will be that. Okay. Another thing, if I have like this, so that will be as well. If I transform it to multiplication, so the right side power will be the opposite. So here you go, 3x squared y z to the power 4. I am transforming it to multiplication, the power will be -1, so 3x y squared z to, so both power will be -1, so that will be 3x squared y z to the power 4 into 3 to the power -1 y to the power -2 and z to the power -3. So here just distributing the powers as well, like this: a into b whole to the power m is a to the power m into b to the power m. So here these elements and whole power will be -1. So -1 power will be distributed as well. Now I am getting same basis and the powers will be added as well. So here the power is 1, so 1, and here the power is -1. So here plus -1. Okay, x to the power 2. Okay. Here is another x -1. Y to the power 1 -2, z to the power 4, that is -3. So the powers will be 2 to the power 0, x to the power -1, y to the power okay, so x to the power +1, y to the power -1, and z to the power 1. So number will be xz by y. Because here the power is 0, so that it will get back to 1. Okay, look into this total simplification and make it clear. Got it? Okay, next problem is like that. that is 5 root over of x to the power 4, 4 root over of x to the power 3, 3 root over of x to the power 2, and root over of x. Yeah, this is very important. I am doing this step by step. Look carefully. Okay, so this root over x means x to the power half. This root over x means x to the power half. So I am writing here like this. Got it? Now here x square and x to the power half. So power will be added because the bases are same. So here 2 plus half, and that is 3 by 2. So I am writing here as 3 by 2. Okay. Next is 5 root over of x to the power 4, 4 root over of x to the power 3, 3 root over of x to the power 3 by 2. That means, okay, that means x to the power 3 by 2 whole root over of 1 by 3, because we all know that n root over of a means x to the power 1 by n. Okay, so here this is my a, this is my a. So 3 root over of a is a to the power 1 by 3. Okay, so the powers will be here 3 cancel out because the multiplication. So 5 root over of x to the power 4 x cube, and here I am having this 1 by 2 just. So as well the power will be added because the bases are same. So 7 by 2. Next, x to the power 4, here the power will be 7 by 2 whole to the power 1 by 4. That means 5 to the power of x to the power 4 x to the power 8 by 7 by 8. Now again the power will be added. So 4 plus 7 by 8, and that is 32 plus 7 by 8, and that will be 39 by 8. Again, go. There is a small mistake I am. Go. Yeah, this page I'm doing this step by step. This will be by 3. This will be 2. Yeah. So here over x means x to the power half. So that will be 5 by 2. Okay. So I am writing here as well. 5 by 2. Okay. Next is 1 by 3. So definitely that will be x to the power 4, 4 to the power of x cube, and this one is x to the power 5 by 6. Next again x to the power 4, 4 to the power of x cube, and here the bases are same, so the powers will be added. So x to the power 23 by 6. Okay. Now 4 to the power means the power will be 1 by 4. Twenty-three by 24. Next 5 to the power of x to the power 4. So the power will be added. So that is 4 plus 23 by 24. Okay. That this is the addition. LCM will be 24. Four. Okay. So again this means the power will be 1 by 5. So x to the power 119 by 24, and the power will be 1 by 5. So we have 5 and 24 will be multiplied. The power will be finally 119 by 120. So this is the answer. Look this process very carefully. Okay, if you can take it, you can take a snapshot if you need. Next, jump into some similar some simplification. So simplify this. Okay, simplify this. You can take some time. I will be right there. Okay, parallelly I am doing this sum. You can keep going your process. This means 3 to the power 4, 16 is to the power 4, whole thing will be minus 3 by 4. Okay, this is my 5 square, this is my 3 square, 3 by 2, 8 by 2, to the power minus 3. Okay, we all know this, that a by b whole to the power m is a to the power m and b to the power m. So we can take the common as the power. So here I am writing that 3 by 2 whole to the power 4, that is minus 3 by 4. Okay. Similarly, we can write here that this 3 by 5 by 3 whole to the power 2, and the whole power is minus 3 by 2. And now I am transforming it as multiplication. So the right side power will be the opposite. So that is minus 3 to 3. Next, here 4 will be cancelled out. So 3 by 2 to the power minus 3, and 2 will be cancelled out. So 5 by 3 whole to the power minus 3, and 5 by 2 whole to the power 3. Okay, so 3 to the power minus 3, and okay, well, I am making this more simpler. Again, if I have a by b whole to the power minus n, so if I reciprocal the inner portion, so the power will be the opposite. So here that will be 2 by 3 whole to the power 3. Okay, 3 by 5 whole to the power 3, and 5 by 2 whole to the power 3. So that is 2 cube, 3 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube, 5 cube, and 2 cube. So here 5 cube have to cancel out, 2 cube, 2 cube cancel out, and 3 cube, 3 cube cancel out, because all are multiplication here. So the number will be 1. Check this now. Okay, next thing is prove this. To the power x minus 1 plus 2 to the power x whole by 2 to the power x plus 1 minus 2 to the power x equals to 3 by 2. Okay, the process is, if I have a to the power n and plus, it may be plus, it may be minus, so a to the power m, and remember, if m is greater than n, so I can take the common m portion, and the greater portion, the power will be subtracted like this, and that will be 1 as well. Okay, if my m is greater than 1, then that will be like this. So I shall take a to the power n as common, That will be like this. Okay. Remember this process. So here from the upper portion, this is my left hand side. 2 to the power x minus 1 plus 2 to the power x by 2 to the power x plus 1 minus 2 to the power x. So in the numerator, the power is here. 2 to the power x is lesser than 2 to the power x. 2 to the power x is greater than 2 to the power x minus 1. So if I take 2 to the power x minus 1 as common, so that will be 1 plus 2 to the power x, and the power will be subtracted like this. And from the denominator, if I take common as 2 to the power x, so here the power will be subtracted like this. Okay, because you all know that I am writing this process. 2 to the power x is greater than 2 to the power x minus 1, and 2 to the power x plus 1 is greater than 2 to the power x. Okay, so now the format will be 2 to the power x minus 1 into 1 plus 2 to the power. This is my x minus x, and minus minus will be plus 1. 2 to the power x, it is not x. I am transforming it as dot. 2 to the power 1 minus 1. Okay, so here it is go 2 to the power x minus 1 into the power minus x, and this is my 1, and here this will be 1 plus x will be cancelled, so that will be 2 to the power 1. So the bases are same here, so the powers will be added like this, and that will be 3. That equals to x will be cancelled out, so 2 to the power minus 1 into 3, that means 3 by 2. So this is my RHS. Okay, make crystal clear the whole process. Yeah. Okay, now this is your task. Prove it. 2 to the power 30 plus 2 to the power 29 plus 2 to the power 28 by 2 to the power 31, 2 to the power 30 minus 2 to the power 29, that is 7 by 10. Do it. So this is my LHS. So in the numerator, the 2 to the power 28 is the lowest power all above. Okay, among these. So if I take common as 2 to the power 28, so here the remainder will be 2 to the power 30 minus 28. Here 2 to the power 29 minus 28. Then that will be 1. So in the lower portion, I am taking 2 to the power 29 as common. So 2 to the power 31 minus 29. 2 to the power 30 minus 29. And this is my 1. So that will be 2 to the power 28 into 2 to the power minus 29 into 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 1 by 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 1. Okay, that will be minus 1. So this is my 28 minus 29, and here it is. This will be my 7. And this is my 5. 2 minus 1, 7 by 5. So 7 by 5 into 2. Because the power is minus 1, so it will get back to denominator. So the number will be 7 by 10. And this is my RHS. Good. Okay, you can just look the whole process. Okay, next is prove this one. A to the power minus 1 by a to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1 plus a to the power minus 1 by a to the power minus b to the power minus 1, and that equals to 2b square by b square minus s. Okay, this is very important. So this is my LHS. So a to the power minus 1 means 1 by a. This is my 1 by a. This is my 1 by b. Okay. So in the denominator, we just do the addition and the subtraction as well. So here the LCM will be AB. So that will be B, it will be A. Okay, and here it is as well. That will be B, that will be A, and that is AB. Okay, so this is a triple fraction. So the third term will be in the numerator as well. So 1 by A into AB by B plus A, and this is 1 by A into AB by, this is my B minus A. Okay, so here A will be cancelled out, and here as will be cancelled out. So B by B plus A, B by B minus A as well. So I am taking B as common, so 1 by B plus A plus 1 by B minus A. So my LCM will be like that, B plus A into B minus A, and here it is B minus A plus here it is B plus A. So number will be like this. So B plus into B minus A means B square minus A square, and that will be B minus A plus B plus A. So here A will be cancelled out. So B into 2B by B square minus A square, that is 2B square by B square minus A square. This is my RHS, right hand side. Good. Let's check this whole process. Okay, my next question is simplify this. This is my L, x to the power L by x to the power m whole to the power 1 by Lm x to the power m by x to the power n whole to the power 1 by mn, and this is my x to the power n by x to the power L whole to the power 1 by nl. So nothing else, we have to just follow the process. Here we all know that e to the power m by e to the power n means e to the power m minus n. So x to the power L by x to the power m means x to the power L minus m, and the whole to the power 1 by Lm. Similarly, we just do the sum here like this. So this is my n minus L 1 by nl. Okay, now individually the multiplication will be happening in the power. So x to the power n minus L by Lm, x to the power m minus n by mn, x to the power n minus L by nl. Okay, now the bases are same, so the powers will be added. I am multiplying in the numerator denominator in the first term by n here, and in this term I am multiplying L in the numerator and denominator simultaneously, because we all know that A by B means A into C, B into C. Okay, now whatever we can multiply, we should multiply in numerator and denominator also simultaneously. So I am doing the same. Here I am multiplying M in both sides. You can now see the denominator of these three terms are same, so we can easily do the sum here. So the LCM will be element, and the multiplication will be as well. So that is NL minus MN plus. Okay, we do not need any multiplication because the LCMs are same. So we just sum. We just add the numerator as well. So at first I am applying distribution property here, and now taking off the bracket and just do the sum. So NL minus MN, I am taking off this bracket, so plus ML minus NL plus MN minus NL. So here you can see this is NL, this is minus NL, that will be cancelled out. This is minus MN, this is MN, this is cancelled out, and this is ML, this is minus ML, that will be cancelled out. So the term will be x to the power 0 by M and L, and that means x to the power 0, because 0 by something is 0. So x to the power 0 means 1. So this is my answer. Look into the whole process. Okay, this is your task. Simplify this. X to the power p, x to the power q, x to the power q, x to the power r, and x to the power r, x to the power p. There it is, r plus p. Okay, this is your task. Do yourself and comment down the answer. Okay, next task is simplify this one. 5 to the power n plus 2 minus 6 into 5 to the power n plus 1 13 into 5 to the power n minus 2 into 5 to the power n plus 1. So here you can see, as we have done earlier, I will take just some common from numerator and denominator as well. So in the numerator, the 5 to the power n plus 1 we can take, because n plus 1 is the least common here of power. So here I am taking 5 to the power n plus 1. So that will be 5 to the power n plus 2 minus n plus 1 as well. So this is my 16 to 1. And here we can take common as 5 to the power n, 13 minus 2 into 5 to the power n plus 1 minus n. This will be my then will be cancelled out. So this is my 1. So here you can see the numerator will be minus n, and here that is 5 minus 6, and this is 13 minus 10. So the power will be added because the bases are same. So here this is my minus 1, and in the middle it is 3. So n will be cancelled out. This is my 5 into minus 1 by 3. My answer is minus 5 by 3. Okay, my next question is, for what value of m this is happened? 9 to the power n division 3 to the minus 2, that is 9 to the power 4. Okay, so I am writing here the condition. 9 to the power n means 3 to the power 2 power n. If I transform it to multiplication, so the number will be right side, the negative, so the opposite sign will be happen. So this one, and this is my 3 square to the power 4, 2m n 8. Okay, this is my 2 here. This 2. Now my main condition is, here is the formula. If I have same bases in two sides of the equal and the powers are different like this implies that powers are same. Okay, remember this formula. So here in both sides you can see the 3 as bases. So comparing, we can say that the power will be same. 2m will be 8 minus 2 and m will be 6 by 2, that is 3. So this is my required value of m. This is my answer. Okay. So look at this sum, total sum here. Okay. Next topic is numbers in standard. Okay. So how is it look like? Just like this. If I have a number m into 10 to the power some power. So here n is any integer and m is any real number. Okay, and m will be always less than 10 and that equals to 1. Okay, so this is my condition. Now do some example. Standard form, convert this into standard. My first task is this. So here you can see I have to write it like m into 10 to the power 7. Okay, so here you can see here is 1 2 3 4 4 zeros. So that means that is 14 into 10 to the power 4. But my m, okay, always remember, but my here m will be less than 10. Okay, here you can go. So this must be 1.4 into 10 to the 10 into 10 to the power 4. Okay, this portion like this. So here the bases 10 are same, so I can write it like this: 10 to the power 1 plus 4, that is 1.4 into 10 to the power 5. Okay, if I do this sum directly, always remember the decimal will be put after one digit. Okay, so here 1 2, here decimal, if decimal goes right side, okay, here I am taking a formula. If my decimal goes This is left side, so the power of 10 will be increased. And if the decimal goes right side, then the power of 10 decreases. Always remember. So here, this is my number. So here is the decimal. Because there is no decimal, that means there is decimal. So here the decimal goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps. So this is 1.4, and the how many steps the decimal goes, the power will increase, that is 5. Yeah. Okay, this is the direct process. Okay, convert this into standard form. Mm, 461,000. So here it is, this is the decimal here, so I am shifting decimal left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, so the number will be 4.61000 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 times, so this is 10 to the power 5. But the value of 0 or no does not exist after decimal, so we can cut this 0 as well. So we can write it like this. Okay, this is my standard form. Okay. Okay, now convert this into standard. One is 1.1 point. So 1345 into 10 to the power 8, and another is 35.67 into 10 to the power 3. So here first number is 1345 into 10 to the power 8. Here the number, the decimal will be shifted at left side, so the power of 10 will decrease. So 1, 2, 3 step, the decimal will shift, so power will decrease 3 times as 10 to the power 8, so the number will be 1.35 into 10 to the power 11. Okay, next is here you can see the decimal will be shift just one side left, one step left. So the number will be 3.567 into just increase one step, so 20 to the power 4. Okay, now transform into standard form. This is your task. 46708900000. Standard it into standard form. Transform this number. This is your task. Do yourself and comment the answer. Okay, so here I am ending this session. Thank you so much for joining. I'll be right back with another session on another day with various topics. Okay, thank you so much for joining. Jai Hind. Have a good day.